Have you ever wanted to do in the hoop coasters, but they don't always turn out perfect? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we have recently partnered with Claudia of Claudia's Creations. She has just started her online courses and have uploaded all of her in the hoop coaster collections. Now, they don't have to be all coasters. As you can see, we can hang them, we can decorate a Christmas tree, we can decorate a wreath. There's different themes like a sewing theme, Christmas theme, Thanksgiving, Valentine, patriotic, inspirational, gardening, Easter, birthday, a beach theme, and an armed forces theme. I just love how firm these actually turn out, and it's because she has you use both fusible fleece and water-soluble stabilizer. And we're going to put links below to those products as well as links to each of these coaster collections for you to check out. Plus, there is a free video for you to watch on how these coasters actually are put together. That way, whenever you download a coaster collection from Claudia, you will know how to make it. I think coasters are one of those fun, quick and easy gift ideas, a hostess gift, a party gift, and with having all these different themes to pick from, and by the way, there are 8 coasters in every collection that you download. Now, if you're not familiar with your embroidery machine as much as you are looking for, we're the one that does all the video tutorials on many different sewing machine brands. Plus, we have our most popular Embroidery Essentials online course that will take you from zero to hero in learning your embroidery machine. Plus, with these coasters, you don't need a very large hoop or big embroidery machine to make these. Of course, if you do have one of the larger machines, you can put more than one coaster in a hoop and be done with a set of 4 in no time flat. So if you're looking for a fun little project to do, check out the links below to all these awesome coaster collections. Plus, keep in mind, you can then put your own design on the coaster base and use it as a template, and then create your own collection, your own themed coasters for that perfect gift idea. Check out all of our free videos and online courses in the links below.